In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your itch.io page quickly and easily, so you can update the look of your project or profile without getting lost in the settings. This is a really useful tutorial if you want to customize your page, make it look more professional, or just give it a fresh new style that matches your game or brand. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your itch.io account and navigate to the project or profile page you want to edit. This could be a game page, a personal creator page, or any other page you've published on the platform. Once you're on the right page, look at the top admin navigation bar. This is where itch.io gives you the editing tools for that specific page. Now click the Edit Theme button. This is the main option you'll use when you want to change the appearance of your page. After you click it, an interactive panel will slide out on the left side of your screen. This panel is where all the customization happens, and it gives you control over the visual style of the page. From here, you can adjust fonts, colors, and images to make the page match the look you want. If you want a cleaner, more polished design, you can choose simpler fonts and softer colors. If you want your page to stand out more, you can use stronger branding, custom artwork, and brighter styling. Take your time here and experiment with the available options until the page looks right to you. The great thing about this editor is that you can usually see changes as you make them, so it becomes much easier to fine-tune the page without guessing. You can test different combinations, check how your header looks, and make sure the overall layout still feels readable and professional. When editing, always keep your audience in mind. If this is a game page, make the visuals reflect the theme of the game. If it's a profile page, use a style that feels consistent with your identity as a creator. Small changes can make a big difference, especially when people are deciding whether to follow, download, or support your work. And that's the basic process for editing an itch.io page. Log in, open the page you want to change, click Edit Theme, and use the left side panel to customize fonts, colors, and images. Once you're happy with the look, you can save your changes and your page will be updated right away. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.